Okay, earthquake just before. It's really big. Yep, came in. Let's go for a walk. This is down Cass Street. All the liquefactions come up. All in the footpaths again. And this footpath's really bad, and it's all flooding, and we're getting trapped.
Oh god, yeah.
Huge puddles. Oh god.
Look, that's good, that's smart.
This is down Cass Street, and this is all fine before, and now it's all
Right.
puddles again.
Right.
Yeah. Right.
Car, Shani.
Yeah, I see it now. Okay, well, this is just like pouring out. There's huge cracks in the footpath. Wow, okay, do that again. See, it's like all sinking. Yeah, it's all gross.
That really skips
This
me
one is kind of, this one's a little bit exciting. It's kind of like a hot spring, kind of. It's flooding out of the footpaths. It's just, so, yeah. Okay, let's just get walking. Shit, my house would have sunk loads more.
Has to be in the ground.
Yeah.
I think we have.
Okay, well, loads of silt. Loads and loads and loads of silt, all just pouring out everywhere. Whoa, I think I just found another one. Maybe we should keep jumping. Loads over there. So like, wow, oh, I hate this.
Be free water. Yes.
Everyone's escaping. Yeah.
Free! Leave your houses.
There was a 5.9 before, but there was no liquefaction or anything from that.
I heard it was a 5.8.
Shut up, Riley. 5.8. Water. More water. Just all flooding the gutters, coming out of cracks in the footpath.
Child yelling.
Yeah. Okay, I'll change off now.